What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Bonk, which has hit a red candle as you guys can see and has dipped down just over 6% in the last 24 hours, currently valued at this value here. So what is next for Bonk now that we're in April? What can we expect? Can we expect another breakout or a price pump over the coming days, or is it likely to stabilize around its current price range or drop back down in value? So we are going to be going through its prediction for April as well as for the rest of the year, what we can expect, and also buyers and sellers point of view. What is the best option? Is it to buy it, sell it, or simply hold on to it? And essentially looking at, is this a crypto still worth investing into in 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Bonk, which is here in purple, and the value of Bonk is also very close here in green. However, it is slightly below the SMA indicator, but it's very close, so it's pretty much on target and performing like it's meant to. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, is what is expected by the graph and by myself as well. Reason being is it has gone through quite a dip over the last 24 hours, so it is due for a little bit of an increase in value, so hence why I'm expecting it to slowly hit green candles over the coming hours, potentially trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Again, nothing too crazy. It's not going to be a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. It will be a minimal increase in value, so guys, do expect more green candles from Bonk over the coming hours. Now moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, we have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So once again, an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from Bonk over the coming week or so. So by the end of this week, early next week, the crypto should once again have picked up in value, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. However, in between that time, I'm also expecting it to hit red candles, taking little dips in value, but the green days are likely to overcome the red days, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what I'm expecting. Potentially a good 10 to 13% increase from where it is at the moment is where I'm expecting Bonk to be at towards the end of the week. However, as you guys know, crypto is a very volatile market, so if there are any updates to this, for example a major crash or a major pump, anything that I'm predicting, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, especially that to keep you guys updated and to stay in the loop as well of any major updates. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and it's not looking too steep either, meaning this is quite realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late May, I'm expecting Bonk to go for an overall drop in value guys. Reason being is the crypto right now, from the predictions and analysis that I have done is overvalued, meaning I'm expecting it to hit more red candles by end of April, May and June, which means it should have taken quite of a dip in value over the next 2 months time, dropping down below this value here, which is 0.00001 cent in value. Dropping below that is where I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at over the next 2 months. However, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis if there are any changes. So heading into the Fibonacci scale here, we can see that the crypto did hit the blue zone over the last few days. As you guys can see, 3 days in a row it hit the resistance target and did resist. It did not break out, which I did predict in my previous updates on Bonk. I did warn you guys, do expect it to pump up to the resistance target and then bounce back off it, which is exactly what's happened. It should try and pump back again to the resistance level and just above it over the coming week before it starts to bounce back down of it by mid to late April, dropping back down into the dark green zone and green zone as well. So do expect it to go for an overall drop in value. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 20% in the last 24 hours, making it over $200 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading, especially that the crypto has been dropping in value. That means we are seeing a lot more people buying the dip right now and potentially people panic selling the crypto as well. Moving on to the daily chart, as you guys can see, the crypto has only gone up over a percentage in the last week. That shows you guys how volatile the crypto has been, but has maintained its value at its current price range. We can clearly see it's been up and down, but overall has maintained its value. Similarly, over the last month, it is literally just the same, guys. It's been pumping quite a lot early March, and ever since then it's been dropping in value, which means the value of Bonk hasn't moved. Well, it has moved much, but overall for the month it has more or less been stabilized. So this is my take and my prediction on Bonk, guys. I've seen a lot of people saying it's likely to get rid of 1-0, making it 0.0001 cent. However, I'm not expecting it to get rid of 1-0. Reason being is I'm expecting it to go for a price correction, little bit of a dip over the coming 2 to 3 months. So for it to get rid of the 0 is going to require a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting from the crypto at the moment. But let me know in the comment section down below, how many zeros are you guys expecting Bonk to get rid of in 2024? And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.